to be like that person.
Menteri Badai Kemi Yaknat Soil and Water Conservation Umar Cruz and Marak Ulaang bakarilom Garo kay kendo ikijing beadai bakjing syarong no ikasbo kendo ha ka kamtam nakadaw kajing tangbun bat kumta ka Sorkar jella kalawan ra ka Slopping agriculture land technology balatip kum ka salt technology kajing temu kalong ban kedat no ya kajing mlien kibreu ki bapendan kam da karukam tangbun Ulaang bada kani kabut anla bantang yashibun bantung yashibun gijat jingtung.
Celebrating World Environment Day, we have launched one scheme called SALT, Slopping Agriculture Technology. This we started basically in Garo Hills, and that happens to be my constituency, Mandalgiri village. That was actually, our intention is to divert our people, those are practicing zooming cultivation, shifting cultivation. So to divert them and to give them some alternative. So that was our intention, and that is why we have introduced this scheme called Slopping Agriculture Technology.